Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use Focus Assist to control notifications on your Windows 11 computer, whether you're in full screen mode, playing a game, or doing a variety of activities. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to make that adjustment, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by right-clicking on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select System on the left side, and now you want to select Focus Assist over here on the right. So now you have a lot of options here. So Focus Assist, to stay focused, choose which notifications you like to see in here. The rest will go straight to Notification Center where you can see them at any time. So you can see by default it may have it turned off. Get all notifications from your apps and contacts. If you want to get priority only, you can select See Only Selected Notifications from the priority list. Go ahead and select Customize Priority List if you want to add applications or contacts that you may want to have priority notifications appearing on your computer. So pretty straightforward. And then if you go down, you can select Automatic Rules if you want to turn on Focus Assist for certain times. And you can select whether you want it to turn on for alarms or for just any sort of alert that you would want to customize here. And you can also set automatic rules for when you're duplicating your display, when you're playing a game, or when you're in full screen mode with any certain application. And if you click on that, you can select which focus level you want, so either alarm or priority only. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.